Airplane mode using Bluestacks on PC. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily use the airplane mode if you are using Monopoly Go via Bluestacks in your PC. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar you will have to search for Bluestacks. Now once you search for Bluestacks, you will be able to see the first link from bluestacks.com. So you need to click on this link and you will be landed on the official website of it. Here on the home page you are going to see the download button, so you need to click on download and the setup of Bluestacks will be start downloading in your device. Now you need to click on it and then you just have to double click on the setup, and then you just have to simply download and install Bluestacks in your PC. Now once this step is done, you just have to click on the Google Play Store button that you see on the Bluestacks app, and from there you just have to download and install the Monopoly Go application in your device. Now in order to fix the airplane glitch in the Monopoly Go application, what you can do is you can simply use a VPN. So if you are using the Windows device, then you can go to the Microsoft Store and here you can search for any VPN. Now once you have found any of the VPNs, it can be free, it can be paid, it's completely up to you. So once you have found any of the VPNs, you just have to simply install it in your device. Let's say you have selected the Turbo VPN. So once you click on this VPN, you just have to click on the install button and it will be installed in your device. Then you just have to connect your VPN with any of the servers, and in the Bluestacks you just have to start using your Monopoly Go application. This way you will be able to easily fix the airplane mode in Monopoly Go in your PC. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.